demo is called the Whoosh bottle. As of right now, everybody needs to have goggles on their faces, right? If you notice, I'm taking, great deal of to make sure that we have a screen here to protect you. This is a 5-gallon water jug. Okay, I checked it for any seams, anything that would potentially rip apart, be an issue, and we have a safe bottle. Now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take methyl alcohol, and I'm going to place methyl alcohol inside of the 5-gallon container. I'm going to shake it up, and what I'm going to do when I do that is I'm going to create a whole bunch of free oxygen gas in the cylinder. It'll begin to decompose apart. And so what ends up happening also is we're going to have a reaction that will occur when I take a butane lighter and I bring it to the top of the Whoosh bottle. What will happen is you're going to have a reaction where the methyl alcohol and the oxygen will react to create carbon dioxide and water, thus known as a combustion reaction. Now, one of the byproducts of this reaction, we've said before, is we get a whole lot of heat. And in this reaction, you're also going to get a whole bunch of light. And in a moment, you'll figure out why this is called the Whoosh bottle. So what you do is you place methyl alcohol inside the container as such. Okay. It is very important, if you do this demo as a teacher someday, that you take the flammable source and you remove it from your surface. Now, I'm going to cover the top of my Whoosh bottle. And like I told you, I'm going to swoosh that around. Okay? And what I'm doing, hopefully, is I'm building up gas inside here. Still got this, Dummy?
Yeah.
All right. When I remove the film, you can even hear the gas in the chamber leave. And here's Whoosh bottle. Is everybody back? Anyway, so Whoosh bottle, right? So you can see now why we call it Whoosh bottle. Feel the bottle, Miss Kelly. And you can't have it, Simpson. What's the bottle? Yeah, it's warm, so this reaction was what? Exothermic. We have heat that exited the system, okay? Now, you also noticed the rushing of gas from the container, didn't you? Couple of other byproducts of reactions, okay? What was another thing that we saw?
Light.
Yeah, we saw the production of light, and that was part of the reaction as well, right? So we have heat source, we have production of light, there's a little bit of water in the very bottom here. And so what ends up happening here is this is a good example of a combustion reaction. All right, now I can never do this reaction again right now, and here's why. Right now, I can experience something called flashback. And so what would occur is if I went right now, because of the energy that is contained inside of this, the potential energy that's inside this container, if I brought the alcohol bottle to it, what could occur is I could get something called flashback that would occur, and there's a lot of energy still contained. That energy could travel to its nearest flammable source, which would be this bottle of alcohol in my hand. That's how some people have been injured when they try to do this type of an experiment, is they try to do it too soon, too fast. They experience flashback. It's like you're holding, literally holding a fire bomb here. And that's how some people have had some injuries. So we always have to be really careful when we do experiments in lab, okay? All right, we're good.